Hey, what's going on, compadre? Hope you're having a fantastic Monday so far. All right, so I got an email from a subscriber today, and I could just feel the frustration through the email. He had mentioned he'd been online for a few years now, barely had any success, barely made any money online, and he just felt like he was stuck. And I can't tell you how many times I get emails like that. And so, what I decided to do for my Click Engine members is not only um, create an awesome service where I can send you traffic every single day, every single month. But also, what I went ahead and added is an Ask Me Anything type deal. So, as an active member of the Click Engine, you're also going to get exclusive content. And once a month, I'm going to be creating a training for the community. And the idea here is to create over time a massive database of content and tutorials. Um, Anything that the members ask, I'm going to put through. I'm going to put onto a page to where you can get access to this content at all times. So it's just going to be collecting and collecting. And I think over time it will become an awesome resource for people, especially for people just getting started. And I mean, you can ask me anything. All right, I've been online for a long time. And if I don't know the answer to your question, then I will look for it and I will do the best to answer you and to do a tutorial for you. These are going to be videos that I make. And guys, this is an incredible value. All right. So, in addition to the traffic, um, if you have anything that's holding you back, you think that is holding you back, whether it is um, mindset or whether it is marketing tactics, whether it is technical, like building a capture page or bridge page or anything that's holding you back, I'll do my best to help you. And then collectively, I'm going to put all these tutorials, all these videos that I make together that so the community can have access to it at any time they want. So this is just another perk for being a Click Engine member. Probably the best value out there as far as online marketing is concerned, in my opinion. Um, and that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. Make sure to become a Click Engine member if you haven't already. Start getting traffic. And then if you have any pressing issues, any questions, by all means, once you're a member, you now have access to this added benefit of being able to ask me a question and I'll get it answered for you as soon as possible. All right, that's it, guys. Have a great one.